So I recently tried Smoking Magic Restaurant, and I'm gonna give a full review on it. But this is kind of what I thought about it. So watch this entire video, and you'll see what I thought about it. And please let me know if you've ever tried it. Give me your thoughts on it. I'm here at the Smoking Magic barbecue restaurant at the Kansas City Airport. We're gonna give it a try and try some new food. The place looks really cool, very modern. Smoking Magic runs it for right now until I don't know when the new contract goes up for the OG band needs to take over, but this is a pretty cool scene. Here's the brisket. It looks upon first glance like it's going to be really, really good. I like the mac and cheese. We're going to give this a try and dive on in here. This is what I thought of the food, since I couldn't eat the bread because it gave me so much brisket, but that brisket and mac and cheese was probably some of the best I've ever had. It was amazing. I would definitely 10 out of 10 recommend this.